If we have a pH of 3.25, what is the pOH? In order to solve this, we need to know that pH plus pOH is equal to 14. Now if we rewrite this so that pOH is all by itself, we get pOH equals 14 minus pH. So to find pOH, we subtract our pH from 14. So if we have a pH of 3.25, like in the first problem, we should have a pOH of 14 minus 3.25, which is just 10.75. In the second one, we have a pH of 8.9. So our pOH is 14 minus 8.9, which is just 5.1. Lastly, if we have a pH of 11.42, we're going to do 14 minus 11.42, giving us a pOH of 2.58. But what if we had to go the other way? What if we're given pOH and we need to solve for pH? If we rewrite our equation, pH plus pOH equals 14, and now rearrange to solve for pH, we would get pH equals 14 minus pOH. So if we apply that to this first problem, where our pOH is 4.6, we would do 14 minus 4.6, giving us a pH of 9.4. The second one, we have a pOH of 9.87. If we do the same thing, 14 minus 9.87, we get a pH of 4.13. Lastly, if we have a pOH of 1.35, to get pH, we're going to do 14 minus 1.35, giving us a pH of 12.65. Thank you for watching.